Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to remove multiple WhatsApp groups from a community. If you're looking to streamline your WhatsApp experience and declutter your communities, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so let's get started. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar green icon on your home screen. Give it a tap and you're in. Now, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a tab labeled Communities. It's right there alongside your chats and calls. Go ahead and tap on that Communities tab. Once you're in the Communities section, find the specific community you want to manage. It might take a scroll if you're part of several communities, but I'm sure you'll spot it quickly. Alright, now we're getting to the good stuff. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice 3 little dots. These dots are your gateway to more options. Tap on them, and from the menu that pops up, select Community Info. You're almost there. In the Community Info section, look for an option that says Manage Groups. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it to see all the groups within this community. Here's the final step, and it's super simple. For each group you want to remove from the community, you'll see a little X next to it. Just tap that X and poof! The group will be removed from the community. And there you have it. You can repeat this last step for as many groups as you want to remove. It's that easy to keep your WhatsApp communities organized and clutter-free. Remember, this doesn't delete the groups entirely. It just removes them from the community. The groups will still exist separately in your WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.